From humble banner ads to influencer-driven campaigns, and now to the era of artificial intelligence and sophisticated algorithms, social media advertising has undergone a remarkable transformation. But this evolution hasn't been without its controversies when it comes to the growing concerns over privacy and the massive amounts of data being collected by tech giants. So, let's take a closer look at the fascinating and sometimes controversial history of social media advertising. It all began in 2003. Social media was in its infancy, with platforms like MySpace and Friendster. So, where did advertising fit in? Well, on MySpace, we saw the first banner ads popping up. These were simple, clickable ads, but they weren't anything like the ads we're used to today. In 2004, a new platform called Facebook entered the scene. Facebook quickly realized the potential of its platform for advertising. By 2007, they had developed their first official ad system called social ads. Unlike MySpace's banner ads, Facebook's social ads had something new: targeting. These ads could be tailored based on age, location, and interests. Now advertisers could reach specific audiences. It was revolutionary for the time, but Facebook's early days with advertising weren't all smooth sailing. In 2007, they launched a program called Beacon. This feature allowed Facebook to track users' activity on other websites, like online shopping or reading news articles, and then automatically post that activity on their Facebook profile for friends to see. The idea was to make ads even more personal and social, but users weren't having it. Many felt it was invasive and didn't like having their online activity broadcasted. The backlash was so strong that Facebook had to shut down Beacon in 2009. This was one of the first major controversies around privacy in social media advertising, and it highlighted the fine line between targeting and invasion of privacy. After Facebook shut down Beacon, more affordable and widespread smartphones made social media access more common. Ads were redesigned to be mobile-friendly, with fast-loading visuals, easy-to-tap buttons, and concise text. Several apps capitalized on this trend. Instagram, which skyrocketed with its focus on photo sharing, introduced ads in 2013, allowing brands to run visually engaging campaigns directly in users' feeds. Pinterest launched promoted pins in 2014, enabling advertisers to integrate seamlessly into user content. Snapchat, in 2014, it rolled out Snap ads and sponsored filters. However, the clear winner during this period was YouTube. YouTube introduced TrueView ads, allowing users to skip ads after a few seconds, providing a more user-friendly experience. Advertisers only paid when users watched the ad for at least 30 seconds or interacted with it. If a user skipped the ad immediately after 5 seconds, the advertiser wouldn't incur any costs, making it a cost-effective model while still offering an opportunity to engage audiences. Now let's flip the coin and look at the other side: influencers and their impact. It began with simple merch like t-shirts, hoodies, and mugs, popularized by YouTubers like PewDiePie and DanTDM. Now, influencers are launching their own brands, like Logan Paul's and KSI's Prime, and Ryan Trahan's Joyride Candy. Then there's influencer advertising, brands partnering with creators like MrBeast's Honey sponsorships. But not everything goes as planned. MrBeast's Beast Burger started as a ghost kitchen with a lot of hype, but shut down due to poor food quality, customer complaints, and operational issues. This wasn't the only product to flop. Many others have met a similar fate. We can't talk about social media without mentioning short-form content. TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. These platforms, introduced between 2016 and 2021, have created a goldmine for advertisers. TikTok, launched in 2016, pioneered the short-form trend, combining addictive scrolling with an engaging video format. Instagram followed in 2020 with Reels, leveraging its vast user base to compete with TikTok. YouTube introduced Shorts in 2021, giving creators another way to produce quick, engaging content. Short-form content thrives on its addictive nature, giving brands constant exposure. Algorithms further enhance impact by targeting audiences with precision. Short-form content has not just transformed advertising, it's made it an integral part of the social media experience. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the privacy concerns. Platforms collect a vast amount of data on us. Don't believe me? Well, first, social media collects the information you willingly share: your name, age, location, interests, and any images or content you upload. But it's not just your posts. They track your likes, shares, comments. For instance, if you like a post about a music artist, the platform deduces that you're into that genre and may show you more content of a similar nature. This applies to everything from books to food to your hobbies, all for personalization of content and ads. Platforms also track your social connections. They monitor who you're following, who follows you back, and how you interact within your network. So, how can you protect your privacy? To start, set your profile to private, disable location tracking, regularly delete your cookies and browsing data to reduce tracking.